Jai Hind. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. My name is Major Ved Prakash Sharma. I've had the honor of serving in Indian Army for 16 years and another 16 years in corporate sector in technology companies like Airtel, Nokia, Ericsson and Cisco. For last 4 years, along with a close friend, a retired brigadier, we are running a social impact enterprise by the name Gratitude Farms. We are based out of Pondicherry. The goal of the company is to help develop 5,000 ex-soldiers as organic farming entrepreneurs and provide the soldiers, rural women and youth in farming sector who work with us learn organic farming to lead a dignified livelihood through these means. I would like you to consider the word dignified livelihood. You see, dignity is associated with freedom. We live in a free country, but spare a thought for millions who don't have that experience of freedom because they are not economically free. When we provide economic freedom to the people through a good livelihood, we automatically give them dignity and they experience that liberated feeling, which is the basis for all good work beyond that. When we started on our journey, we just had this nebulous idea that we want to help ex-soldiers. I've seen the difficulties that they face after retirement firsthand. They retire at the age usually between 35 to 45 years, no age to retire by any yardstick. They want to settle down in their villages, but lack of economic activity, and most importantly, even though they hold small pieces of land, maybe 2-3 acres, most of them, the despondency towards agriculture is high, shortage of water, fertility going down because of usage of chemicals and fertilizers, and most importantly, inability to extract good value for their produce, which will help them take up farming as a full-time profession. So that's where, after traveling around the country, meeting a lot of people, we converged on organic farming as an instrument through which we can put in our efforts to bring dignified livelihood to ex-soldiers and alongside to rural women and youth or farmers who would like to work with us. We have developed a high yield, high density organic farming model. We call it food forest, in which in 1 acre we grow about 12 to 15 tons of vegetable, fruits and greens through 100 to 120 fruit trees and about 10,000 vegetable plants in 3 to 4 seasons in every year in every acre. It has taken us 3 years and many failures to be able to get to this level. But today the model stands validated. We have gone through cyclonic storms, pest attacks and all the regular failures that farmers face and have come up with this model that can now be replicated, and we are working with many farmers in South India where we are located. The second aspect of getting good economic value from organic products is to sell it directly to the consumers. We use technology, we use an app and we use WhatsApp, and all the produce is posted on the WhatsApp or app, and after that the customers order, and our aim is to deliver the vegetables within 6 to 8 hours of harvest from our farms. Thus, not only do we get good value for the vegetables, but also the consumers get a very high nutritious value because it is freshly harvested. As all of us celebrate the Independence Day, we should spare a thought for those who cannot experience the freedom because they are not experiencing any economic freedom, the very basis with which they can lead a dignified life. Many of us are very fortunate to have succeeded in our careers and professions and lead a life which is very respectful, dignified, and reasonably free. I would like you to consider ways to help people, particularly in a rural India. And there are many, many ways where you can directly involve yourself and work towards making a few, maybe a handful of people succeed in their lives by increasing their knowledge, by helping them get to stand on their own feet, be independent in their lives. And that would be the right way to celebrate our Independence Day. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day and Jai Hind.